Wants to boost your savings quickly and easily? Today, we're sharing proven steps that have turned me from broke to multimillionaire, helping you grow your wealth without stress. Ready to take control of your finances? Let's get started. Greeting, savvy savers. Saving money can feel challenging, but with the right strategies, you can quickly build your savings and grow your wealth. Over the past 30 years, following these steps has transformed my financial situation from broke to multimillionaire. Ready for some creative tips to save money fast? Let's dive in. Step number 1. Cancel unused subscriptions. Go through your bank statements and identify any subscriptions you're not using regularly, whether it's a gym membership, streaming service, or magazine subscription. Canceling unused services can save you a significant amount each month. Sarah realized she was paying for 3 different streaming services, but mostly used just one. She canceled the other 2, saving $200 a month instantly. Little changes like this adds up over time. These practical steps have helped save thousands over the years. Hey, if these tips are helping you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share your success story in the comments below. Steps number 2. Adopt energy-saving habits. Reducing your energy consumption is a great way to save money and help the environment. Let's explore some simple energy-saving habits you can adopt. Use energy-efficient appliances and bulbs. Switch to energy-efficient appliances and LED light bulbs. They might cost a bit more upfront, but they use less electricity and last longer, saving you money on your utility bills in the long run. Unplugged electronic when not in use. Many electronics use power even when turned off. Unplugging devices when they are not in use or using a power strip with an off switch can reduce your energy consumptions and lower your bills. Remember, very small changes can lead to big savings. Adopting these energy-saving habits play a key role in financial transformation. They are simple but incredibly effective. Let's talk about John. He was struggling to save money each month until he decided to take control of his expenses. John tracked his spending, cancelled unused subscriptions, and adopted energy-saving habits. Within 6 months, he saved over $1,000 and started building an emergency fund. If John can do it, so can you. These are the exact steps I took to turn my finances around. If you're finding these tips helpful, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on more ways to improve your financial health and grow your savings. Step number 3. Practice mindful spending. Mindful spending is all about being intentional with your money. Let's explore how you can avoid impulsive purchases and make thoughtful spending decisions. Before heading to the store, make a shopping list and commit to sticking to it. This reduces the temptation to make impulsive purchases and ensures you only buy what you need. Implement the 30-day rule for non-essential purchases. If you see something you want, wait 30 days before buying it. Often, after the waiting period, you will realize you didn't need it after all, saving you money on unnecessary items. Practicing mindful spending was a game changer for my finances. It's one of the reasons I managed to build my wealth over the years. Actionable homework. Now, for the exciting part, my savvy savers. This week, take the following steps to boost your savings. Identify and cut unnecessary expenses. Review your bank statement and cancel any unused subscriptions. Track all your current expenses to see where you can cut back. Adopt energy-saving habits. Switch to energy-efficient light bulbs and appliances, and unplug electronics when they are not in use. These small changes can significantly reduce your utility bills. Practice mindful spending. Make a shopping list and stick to it. Use the 30-day rule for non-essential purchases to avoid impulsive spending. These steps are the foundation of my financial journey from broke to multimillionaire. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on valuable tips and tricks to boost your financial health. Give us a thumbs up to help others discover us, and share your success story in the comments below to inspire everyone. Let's grow together. Here is a motivating message. Many people have successfully boosted their savings by adopting these strategies and staying committed. These small, consistent actions can lead to significant financial growth. Believe in your ability to harness these steps and transform your financial life. Before we go, here's a joke to lighten your day. Why did a bicycle fall over? Because it was too tired. Remember, boosting your savings starts with small, intentional steps and mindful spending. Now, click the button to join us for the next episode, Is Debt Your Own Money?, where we'll explore the true nature of debt and how it impacts your financial health. You've got this. Stay motivated and continue working towards financial freedom. See you in the next video.